Starting today off, Manorville. Gonna be doing a pool patio, outdoor kitchen, fire pit over there in the corner, retaining wall. This one's gonna be a total transformation. I'm using limestone quarry, bullnose coping, and Matryx wall. Stopping back at our job in Manorville. A couple more things to do. Need to do the fire pit, still not in. Need granite refrigerators. Get the Cambridge 48-inch cast steps. Limestone quarry Matryx wall. All WAC lights underneath the caps. Coming down the stairs here. Got WAC lights under the caps here. All along this wall here. Cambridge cast stepping stones. Come down onto the patio here. Got a limestone quarry Ledgestone, 5-piece Belgium, Bluestone Slate caps, an 18 by 18 inlay underneath the deck. It's walking behind the bar. Got a Blaze 32-inch grill, double doors, refrigerator, all wired up for lights. We got lights underneath the wall here. Eventually, there's going to be some plantings back here. And once the sod stiffens up a little bit and grows in, we're going to be putting that back on the grass. Another beautiful job complete here in Manorville. Here we are in Manorville, just finished up this fire pit. It's a natural gas fire pit, 36 inches by Warming Trends. We built the carcass out of limestone quarry Matryx wall. The caps are Blackburn, natural stone. Got the lava rock inside. Very, very nice. Take a step back and take a look at this. It's a sunken in fire pit. 3 steps down, 2 columns. There's all LED lights underneath the benches here, and all LED lights in the stairs here coming down. So at nighttime, it's quite a grand fireplace / seating area.